And in this introduction section, we will start with first class, which is about what is actually Microsoft Azure. So in general, that's a very comprehensive cloud computing platform. As by the name, it has been created by Microsoft. Using Microsoft Azure, you can build, test, deploy and manage applications and different services through Microsoft managed data centers. Don't worry if some of these terms were too technical for you. We will explain it over the course. And then it provides a wide range of cloud services, including those for computing, analytics, storage, and networking. So for now, you can just understand that this is some kind of a website, very powerful website, managed by Microsoft and created by Microsoft, where you can do many different types of operations with different types of applications. It can be a mobile, it can be web application, it can be a front end, can be a backend application, it can be artificial intelligence, automation, analytics, monitoring, many things, basically everything you need to take care of your software. And so this is a website, let's say, and physically there are very big computers managed by Microsoft also, and they are called data centers. They are huge computers where on somewhere there in a small chunk of this hardware there is all your data which you are hosting using or you are renting, let's say, the space to get access to all these Microsoft Azure features. And this is what I have been saying in short, in points. Microsoft Azure delivers a global infrastructure. It has data centers across all the world, all the continents, maybe not on Antarctica, I'm not sure, but all other Antarctica it has on everywhere where, let's say, people live. Thanks to that, people visiting your website or mobile application, they can be you can locate it closer to where your users live, or you can also, but it's a bit more advanced, you can also have it in multiple regions, but it is different topic for now. So for now, understand that this is a global infrastructure. Lots of services. We are not going through all of them. We'll go through the core. We will, because this course about fundamentals, and I will show you in the Microsoft Azure where are those services. We'll do some setups with them, and also only those which are actually required for you to pass the exam if you are taking this course for passing the certification. If you are working for a big company, of course you can use Microsoft Azure. It's enterprise grade. But all big, or not all, but many big companies are using Microsoft Azure. Of course, there are also companies using competitors like Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Some more regional players like Alibaba Cloud, maybe Oracle Cloud. You could also hear about them. They are all, including Microsoft Azure, enterprise grade. You can also use them for smaller projects. I use them for Microsoft Azure for a smaller project as well. Yes, these days there is lots of emphasis on security and privacy, and Microsoft Azure has lots of puts lots of effort into those too. Or security or compliance, but also privacy. So you can there are many services to do that, and the exam is also a significant part on security, so we'll go through this as well. And what is nice is open source friendly. Microsoft Azure is you can use many technologies which are open source, If you don't know what is open source, that's fine for now. We basically open source as a software which has been developed in an open society, so everyone can see it, can test it, can contribute to that, can run it. And there are many good open source technologies, and some of the Microsoft Azure is supporting actually many of them. That's it for what is Microsoft Azure at a glance. In the next slide, I will go briefly on the history, how it evolved, and where we are now.